everybody, it's Mrs. Williams, and today we're going to finish our Grinch picture. Well, we're not going to finish it. We're going to at least put in our blues and possibly get to our greens. So I wanted to show you how the blue changes from the background to the middle ground to the foreground. And it's a little confusing because the darkest is going to be the sky. If you think of the night sky, that will be dark. We'll put snowflakes on it later. The middle ground is the lightest. That's like piles of snow behind Whoville. And down in the foreground, that's closest to us, and it's dark. It's nighttime. So it's snow, but it's dark because it's outside of the light. So darkest, lightest, medium. Okay, here we go. I want to show you some painting techniques too. So let me turn my camera down so you can see. And so here we have a simplified version of the painting and three colors of blue: darkest, middle ground, foreground. Okay, so darkest is for the sky, and this big swooshy brush is actually pretty good. It's going to fill in the big spaces really easily, but I want to stay away from the detail spaces like around the star. I'm just going to fill in these big spaces. It's okay to go on the table paper, get it all just filled, and it won't take you very long. Then, for details, you're going to get more of a brush that looks like this. It's smaller, it's squared off, and you're going to take some paint. And you're going to get right up close to the edge of your mountain. My brush actually doesn't get to the edge of the mountain. It's just pushing the paint toward that line. You go really carefully, and if you would just push that paint, you're going to make a beautiful line. Don't even get your brush close to it. Just push the paint. When you need more paint, you're just going to get more paint. So go very carefully along those edges and try to fill in all the space. We actually don't want to see any white in the background. Okay, that's how you do your details. And middle ground is more white. This is the snowy part. And we'll go in and add pure white after it's dry. But this is where we're just going to do snowy. Again, big swooshy brush, good for the big spaces. And then I will need more of a detail brush. Oh wait, yes I do, to get around my tree. There. And we're going to let this dry before we get into doing our greens of the tree. Okay, and then foreground, same idea. It's the medium color for the foreground. And we'll get in here and do our medium blue. Okay, so that should be fun today. All right, bye.